Hello everyone, welcome to UiBrains and this is Naveen. In this video, we're gonna see a new question, endsLy. Okay, so given a string, return true if it is ends with ly. So we just have to return true if the string is having the last two characters is l and y. Okay, so first of all, just think about if you want to make the last two characters is ly, first condition to be the length to be more than or equal to 2, right? So minimum two characters length should be there, the string. Then only you can go for uh, the two characters are there or not, right? Okay, so I'll do one thing. I simply copy this back to here and paste it. Okay, so first condition we have to check is str dot length is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, if it is the case, and what else? If length is greater than or equal to 2, and how to get last two characters? Str dot substring of length minus 2. Okay, if str dot substring of str dot length minus 2. Okay, so equals, so dot equals, so dot equals of you go for what, the string ly. Okay, so this is return true, else return false. Okay, so here see, if length is greater than or equal to 2 and uh, so str dot length minus 2, so last two characters equal to ly, return true, otherwise return false. So let me just copy this and back to here, and then I'll paste it and click on go. Yes, I got all correct. That's okay. One more thing, see here, see actually what are we doing is length greater than or equal to 2 if it is more than two characters, I mean minimum two characters, and one more condition. So we are checking this condition as well as this condition. So we are checking the two conditions. My question is, so why can't you write the and symbol and write something here only, right? So why I go for this one? So I do one thing. Let me just cut this. Okay, I don't need if extra. Length is greater than or equal to 2 and this one. So what happened? You have to okay. See, first this condition will check yes minimum two characters length. Then only is a and symbol. So then on if it is success, if it is true, then only go for checking the next level. If it is not, automatically go and return the false, right? So it works now. So return true. Okay. So now save it. Now just copy this back to here and paste it and click on go. Yes, I got all success. One more thing. See, actually, what are we doing is if this condition is successful, return true, otherwise, return false. So, we are just returning the condition itself, right? So, we can even make a shortcut. You can just simply return this one. So, we don't need all this, right? Okay. So, now see, return if length equal to 2 and substring dot length minus 2 is equals of ly. So let's try this. Copy that back to here and paste it. Click on go. Is always true, right? One more thing here. You can just writing instead of this one. You can write like return uh, str dot length is greater than or equal to 2, and so instead of writing this substring dot length minus something dot equals, actually there is something called, there's a function called ends with, there's a method str dot ends with c, ends with the string called ly. Okay, you can even do this, right? We can use a uh, java method like ends with ly. Okay, so now let me copy this back to here and paste it and click on go. Yes, I got success. Okay, so I hope this is the shortest solution for this problem. Okay, so we have seen the multiple solutions. So, but you have to write the optimized solution like this. Okay, so anything is works, but who write the less number of lines of code and he's called as a perfect programmer, right? Uh, okay, so that's it, and this is the solution for this problem, and we'll see the next question in the next video. Thank you.